Hey guys, so welcome to the demo of all the apps included in the EUREKA suite. We call it the ultimate bundle. So it includes hosting, includes a drive for storage, it includes image Panda, which is for graphics design, and it includes a funnel builder, which also has membership capability. So starting with EUREKA host, when you sign up, you add a main domain to start with. We use that to create your hosting account. And then you have the name servers at the bottom that you can use to set up your domain redirect. You can also quickly access some shortcuts to your hosting account as well. You can add as many domains as you want, so it's unlimited domains, unlimited subdomains, unlimited emails, unlimited websites. So this is an example of your cPanel where you can do a variety of things, create your email account, add your website files, your PHP admin. If you have a dynamic website, you can add domains, you can add subdomains as well. So that is it for EUREKA hosts. In this case, my subscription is for 10 years with the expiry date. So we give you a variety of options here as well. You can amend your profile. We have support and knowledge base as well. So if I switch to EUREKA Drive, which is basically storage, now you get a variety of options to pick from. So like here I have 1,000 gig, which is 1 terabyte. So I can create folders if I want to categorize items in my drive. I can also upload, and then there are also shortcuts in case I just want to see photos in my drive. For example, when I delete stuff, it goes to the trash, it stays there for a bit of time before it's automatically deleted. You can also search. You can also add password control if you want. You can download, you can delete as well. You can also share if you want to share the item in your drive. So all you have to do is just click upload. You can put it in a folder. You can add password control, and you just click to upload, or you drag your files and it automatically uploads to your storage. So that's all for EUREKA hosts and EUREKA Drive. You can always switch back if you want. Next on the list is Image Panda. So with Image Panda, you can create graphics. Yeah, so simple to use, very easy actually. So you can invite team members. You can attach social accounts. So just here, send invitation. You can attach social accounts as well. Typical stuff, amend your settings. If I go back to the library, you can create folders again to categorize items that you create. You also have graphics that you've made, and then graphics that have been shared with you. So we have a very easy to use editor with Image Panda. Once you click it, it opens up the editor for you, and what you get is the ability to drag and drop items as you will. So this is graphic that I created earlier on. I have background. So we have thousands and thousands. Actually, we have upwards of 2 million images. You can have patterns as well. You can also upload if you want to. You can also use our filters. So for example, I want to change the color overlay. You can also add text, and then we have a bunch of quotes as well. So I can just click on that, it drops in. I can move it to wherever I want to. Let's delete that. Also icons and images as well. We have thousands of these available for you to use, actually millions of these available for you to use. You can also upload as well. We have shapes as well. Again, everything is drag and drop. So for example, I can click this, I can move it around, place it where I want to. I can then download in different options with the different options available to me. And then I can also save. There is also the auto save as well, so I can do stuff like this. Text opacity, I can reduce it. So yeah, easy to use editor. Next on the list is Funnel Joy. So Funnel Joy is a funnel landing page builder. Now, what you can do with Funnel Joy is easily create funnels. So for example, I just click on create funnel. I pick the type of funnel that I want to create. Let's say a sales funnel. I give it a name. Yeah, I can also amend the subdomain if I want to. I click create funnel. It gives me the various templates we have for these funnels. Let's use this one. Automatically my funnels are created with all the 5 relevant pages that I need in a typical sales funnel. I can also just easily click on that and I can visit that funnel. I can do a variety of things. Analytics, I can add my own domain. We also give you settings for this particular funnel. For each page, so preview, open in the editor, split tests, page analytics. You can also switch out the template if you want. And then we give you a bunch of stuff like export, clone, rename. We also give you the ability to import from a URL. This is still a beta feature, but yeah, that ability is in there. So if I click to open it in the editor, so this is the one that I chose. You can see the preview of it. So I'm opening this now in the editor to amend. Again, this is a simple drag and drop editor. So I can move stuff around, place it wherever I want to. Yeah, I can move all of these around, even my buttons and everything. I can also align them properly with the grid lines. I have various options, for example, for my buttons, checkout, downloads, a contact us button. All of the elements available to me are on the left. Shapes, navigation menu, etc. I can go to media as well. I have my images, audio player. I just have to click on what I want and it appears in my canvas. I can then move it to wherever I want to place it. We also have Google Fonts integrated, so you have hundreds and hundreds of fonts available to you. And you can also switch between the mobile and the desktop view as well. So we always recommend to check the mobile view to be sure that you've placed things properly. Yeah. When you're done, you can preview, you can save, you can return back to your dashboard. So let's go back to the dashboard. Under sell, I can create products to sell, for example. Yeah, so in this case, product 1, I can then add that to my funnel, add in my payment processor, and I can collect money and deliver digital or even physical products through my funnels. Now with memberships, you can create basically an online class. So in this case, I have Whitney Teaches Baking, which is an online class. I have my course content. I can add lessons, I can add new modules to it. I can see all the members within my class. I can also amend things like membership description, what fulfillment email should go out, payment options that are available to me. So we have the 3 major payment options available integrated into Funnel Joy: JVZoo, Stripe, and PayPal. So you can easily amend all of this. You see your orders in here as well. You can create special coupons if you want to be able to give discounts to prospective buyers. You also have a list of all contacts that have been added. You can download them. You can manually add one if you want. We have an extensive help and training section as well in Funnel Joy, knowledge base with tons and tons of articles to help out. And then we have some funnel courses that you can take to help refine your funnel building skills. You can also invite team members if you want into Funnel Joy, you can integrate as many apps as you want. For example, Zapier, you can integrate that with thousands and thousands of services. We also have some other apps like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, SendFox, ConvertKit, and then some webinar platforms as well. So that is Funnel Joy in a nutshell. You can create sub accounts. So if you have different businesses, you can create different accounts under your main account so you can handle those different businesses. So that is the demo in a nutshell. Went over the 10-minute mark, but yeah, this is the ultimate bundle. Cheers, guys.